Get us more about another aspect of this, we're going to be crossing over to my colleague Rucha, who remains with us. Rucha, you are joining us from Thane. This is the location from where this prime accused has been arrested. Take us through how exactly this took place. How were the police finally able to track the main accused?
I am currently at Thane's Ghodbandar Roads, Hiranandani Estate area. Now, near the Hiranandani Estate, where we can see the high-rise buildings of Thane can be seen. There's a labor camp around this area, and lots of constructions, real estate construction and metro construction is currently going on here. And those laborers live in this labor camp. Now, the location of the prime accused was first traced from this labor camp. When police arrived here, it was almost 7 p.m. in the evening. Police started questioning people living in the labor camp. They showed them the pictures of this accused, and were trying to make sure whether anyone made any contact with him, was anyone seeing him, meeting him from this locality. And after the search operation of about 7 hours, the Mumbai police managed to reach a location which was a little far from this labor camp, right adjacent to this area where we can see lots of trees are here, and this is an area where debris is thrown in this place. Lots of garbage is thrown here. No, not even anyone can think of living here. At this spot, the accused was first seen at. Mumbai police and Thane police took a help of local guy from here. They showed him the picture of this person, and after they were looking for this person for about 7 hours in the same area of about 2 minutes, they finally found out that he was sitting in around one of these trees. Now it is very difficult to even get inside the exact location where he was sitting, and while he was caught by police, he was trying to escape, he was trying to run, but police had already been around this place, and they had spread the teams around entire area. Now this is the one house which we are seeing. From here, a guy was taken with the Mumbai police to help them finding this person. And this entire area is a farm place. This is Wagbil's Khadi area, where a creek is there, and these farms are a land which is owned by the forest department, mangrove department, and this is very deserted place. Nobody lives here. The laborers also don't come here that often. But he was caught exactly at this spot. And when he was caught, he was seen having conversation with somebody. Police was figuring out whether he was on call with somebody. Now, before he was caught by police, it took definitely long time. Even the investigation took 3 days to reach at this point, and even after reaching here, it took 7 hours. Why? Because the prime accused had switched off his mobile phone. Now, the location was the only point that was taking police to very close to this prime accused. Now, he had switched off his phone for 4 hours, and right when he switched on his phone again, he was again caught by Mumbai police. His location was traced exactly at the spot, and he was found red-handed. He is said to be on call with someone, which tells that there's somebody that he was helped with. And even the laborers that are living here have not recognized him, but some of them, while speaking with us, have mentioned that they knew this person. They had seen him around. He was also seen doing a recce of these high-rise buildings. Now, this again is another point that he was living here. He was laborer here for a few months, and he used to roam around these colonies. These are currently being constructed. Some of them have access that are under construction buildings that anyone can enter in. He must have got there and tried to figure out
Absolutely.
what is the entry point, how he can
Right.
crack the security, and that is how he managed to crack the security of Saif's building as well.
Absolutely. Rucha, thank you so much for joining us and letting us know about the latest there.